Hello and welcome to the American Ultimate, I f***ed that up already. The Ultimate American Truck Game Show. I got this. Ready? Hello and welcome to the Ultimate American Truck Game Show, where we have a game show that talks about the most ultimate custom trucks in the Custom Offsets Gallery as a game show. I'm your host, Junior Dirt. Here today we're gonna go with our contestants and review them and figure out where they're from.
What's up guys, Glenn with Function Power Sports on the YouTube.
Yeah, my name's Chet. I was actually just under the bridge down by the river, smoking a couple darts, slamming a couple Busch lattes when, Junior rolled up, and I just followed the crew over and they asked me to be in this show, so here I am.
What's up guys, my name's Coda. I built a second gen and it's not even a Cummins.
All right, gentlemen, so today we have a contest where we're gonna pick a truck from the Custom Offsets Gallery and just kinda, I don't know, find the coolest one, but there are some rules and regulations we gotta follow. So, first up, we got 5 categories that the truck needs to follow. All right, 5.
How many?
Count that high? All right, so the 5 categories we got are the cool-ish factor, which is just kind of something cool with whatever truck you pick from the gallery. It could be sick, could be on fire, I don't know, just whatever you want. Unique build is the second one, so it's gotta be something unique. Third one, why do you keep staring at me?
What's unique?
Are you awake?
What's unique?
That's up to you, and I will decide if it is or isn't. Third one is the closest to SEMA quality. You ever been to SEMA before, Chet?
What's SEMA?
It's in Vegas.
SEMA nuts! Ah!
Fourth category is gonna be the biggest wheels. And the fifth category is gonna be budget friendly. So you have to have the budget friendliest, biggest wheels to have the closest to SEMA quality while being a unique build with a cool-ish factor to it.
My whole life's budget friendly.
However, on top of all of that, you are picking a truck from a hat. And that truck is the type of vehicle you need to find. So it could be a Tacoma, it could be an F-150, it could be a second gen, it could be a purple truck. I don't know, there's a bunch of categories in the truck. So you have to pick a vehicle type that matches said criteria here in 4 minutes. Y'all ready to go?
Let's do it.
All right, we're starting with Coda. Ladies and gentlemen, the first contestant is picking their vehicle.
(2018) F-150.
Haha! That says 26, oh, that's 2018. All right, Chet, do you know how to read?
No.
There's only 2 papers in there.
Oh.
Oh boy. Are we just
2016 Ram 1500.
gonna keep moving? Oh dude, that's not a UTV, what the hell? 2017 Chevy Silverado.
All right, so they got their trucks picked out, and now they're gonna go into the gallery. They've got 3 minutes each to find a vehicle that fits my 5 criteria to their truck. We'll see what they come up with.
All right, let's dive right into this. So I got 2018 F-150. We are gonna see if we can find something pretty sick through this gallery. F-150 too. Not many people build those. So we're gonna go with some big boys, like some 26s. Gotta throw it on. Let's look for some 40s. All right, let's see what we got. We have 1. There was 1 when it popped up.
All right. Let's see here. Coolish factor. Can you not? No. Actually? Did it actually the Micah?
I literally saw him pour.
All right, so we got a 2017 Chevy Silverado we gotta find for coolish factor, unique build, closest to SEMA quality, biggest wheels, and budget friendly. All right, dude, I don't know how I'm gonna top Chet, dude. Dude's wild. Let's get this thing cranked up. All right, we're definitely picking a 4-wheel drive, because if this thing's gonna even come to the coolish factor, we gotta have 4-wheel drive there.
I have to be doing something wrong here. It's only showing me 1 truck. There's only 1 F-150 in this entire gallery on 26, 16s, and 40s.
All right, 2016. All right, these are all 2017, so I don't know what happened there, but whatever. All right, next. Hello? 2 minutes left? Yep. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh.
Two minutes? Oh, hell yeah. We're ahead of time. That's how we do it at Function Power Sports, always ahead of time. Dude, I'm gonna have the same problem as Coda, finding that exact year.
I think maybe the best way to do this is to just type in the vehicle without anything else and just see all of the options at once instead of trying to narrow it down like I did. So that's what we're gonna do.
Okay. There's no 12-inch lift. Okay.
All right, so here I found a 2018 F-150 on some Ruthless Forged Gilts, 24 by 12, and some 325/45 Nitto Terra grapplers. The back sides of these wheels are actually powder coated blue, so that's pretty sick. And he's got some really decent pictures in here, a nice little roller shot. And it's just a really clean build overall. Ready lift suspension, 7-inch lift kit, and a little bit of trimming, but overall I think it fits most of these categories. So this one's gonna be my choice for sure.
Oh God. Oh God. Come on. We're gonna have to go with this. We're out of time. 2016 Ram 1500 Archon Off-Road Abe Lincolns and a 2614 Accelera MTs at a 37, 13.5 and a Pro Comp suspension lift to 6.5 inches. I like it.
All right, so what we got here is a 2017 Chevy Silverado 1500. This is rolling on some grid GF4 24 by 14 -77 wheels, paired up with some Nitto Trail Grappler 38 by 13 5-inch tires and a 12-inch bulletproof lift. This thing's a beast. What else do we got? No trimming and no rubbing or scrubbing, because this thing is things like a show quality build, aftermarket bumpers, side steps, you name it. This thing is set up sweet. I think we got her. We're good.
Ladies and gentlemen, it has been about 4 hours later and we're done deliberating with these fine gentlemen on their trucks that they picked for the American Truck Game Show. Thank you, chat. So, a reminder, the categories we got for you guys today are cool-ish factor, that's up for interpretation. Unique build, also up for interpretation. Closest to SEMA quality, up for interpretation. Biggest wheels, which can not really be up for interpretation. There's like literal measurements for those. And budget friendly, which can be up for interpretation. So, with that in mind, we got a Ford. Who's got the Ford? We got a Chevy.
That was me.
Glenn loves his Chevys. And we got a Ram. Now, reviewing these fine pick-em-up trucks. We got a 2018 Ford F-150 and some Ruthless Forged Gilt 24 by 12s and a -40 offset, and some Nitto Terra Grappler G2s in a 325/45 and a Ready Lift 7-inch suspension kit. 2017 Silverado 1500 on some 2414s and some 38s on a bulletproof 12-inch.
Let's go.
Ooh, that's just the brand name, chat. It's just the brand name. And then we got a Archon Off-Road Lincoln 26 by 14 with some Accelera 37s, Pro Comp suspension, 6.5-inch lift. Woo! So we got 3 fine builds here. I would drive every single one of them into a ditch. Just kidding, I actually like all of them. I'm doing some deliberation here. Just give me a second to go through these. Oh, those wheels are dope. These Ruthless Forged are pretty sick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna have to give this one to the man who picked. I'm announcing it right now. I got the winner. And the winner will be featured next week on the Ultimate American Truck Game Show. And the winner is Chat with his 2016 Ram 1500. Woo!
We got 2 of them.
Thank y'all for tuning in as always. Visit the gallery, customoffsets.com/gallery for your fitment needs. All right, and of course we have our trophy. Every single week the winner will receive a trophy. I need you to hold my beer for me. Be right back.
You must be really
This week's
thirsty.
trophy is a top sirloin, courtesy of Walmart.com. Here you go, chat. Congratulations. Would you like to give a speech on your prize?
Eat it.
Cut Cut! Wheels, tires, suspension, CustomOffsets.com. Subscribe, YouTube.com, CustomOffsets TV. Peace. Woo!